train up ahead in Marysville. Hello? Oh, choo-choo! Wow! Let me see. What? Wow, there it is! What the? Is it? Really? That is a big one! I'm gonna take pictures. I knew it. It's a big load, though. That's the first train. Look, there's a crossing waking up. Is that all? There's a train! I got the camera just on time. Your train. That is really... The camera going. I knew it was a train. I freaked out. Hang on.
What do you want, Brom?
Hot
Cheeseburger
fudge?
and fries with hot fudge?
Yes. Sunday. That's a big one, Bron. Wow. Wow. Big. What is it? A train. It's really a train. What if we see the end?
Hi, welcome to Marysville. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please get the $7 meal deal with the cheeseburger?
Okay, and what would you like to drink?
The hot fudge for the sundae and Diet Coke for the drink.
Sure. Anything else I can get for you?
And then a number one with no pickles.
Okay. And what would you like to drink?
Do you have like Starry?
No.
Yeah.
Or Sprite or something like that?
Right.
Okay, I'll get that.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
All right, so the cheeseburger $7 meal with a Diet Coke and a hot fudge sundae, and then a number one no pickles with a Sprite is going to be $21.32. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's a big one. Got it. Oh, look, there's the BNSF, two BNSFs at the back.
Yeah.
I took a picture. There's the end of the train.
That's cool, buddy.
See the light? The train's lights on.
Hello.
Hi.
32. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
That was a... That's a big one, Tail Screw.
Do you have any ketchup for your fries?
Honey mustard, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
That was a long train, Tail Screw. I'm gonna upload this right now. Right away. See you later, Tail Screw. I'll upload some train pictures of it. Thank you. Bye. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Because I'm gonna get a lot of views, but I'm not that good at cameraing on my tablet. But I gotta go. Bye, Tail Screw.